Meaning of edible.
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 Edible. The word edible refers to food or substances that are safe and suitable for consumption by humans. Edible items are those that can be eaten without causing harm to the body, and they provide necessary nutrients for growth and energy. Examples of edible items include fruits, vegetables, grains, meats, fish, dairy products, and other foodstuffs that are prepared and cooked in various ways. The term edible contrasts with the word inedible, which means that food cannot be consumed, typically due to being toxic, inedible, or otherwise unsuitable for human consumption.